Welcome to Banks Unboxing, where every day is Christmas. I'm Gale Banks. The guys in the shop are always sucking down Monster energy drinks, and I've always wondered, what's the attraction? Do they taste good, or is there more? So today, I'm going to test every flavor in the fridge. Here's a quick backstory on Monster Energy. It was created by Hansen's Natural just down the freeway from Banks Power. They've been making fruit drinks since 1935. But in 2002, they came up with Monster, and sales went from millions to billions. And the company renamed itself Monster Beverage in 2012. That brings us to today. Currently, Monster makes 34 flavors. I'm standing here with 12 of them. These are the ones the guys in the race shop drink the most. First, I'm going to unbox them, then I'm going to taste them, cleansing my palate between each one. Got to do it righteous. I'll rate each one from 1 to 10, with 10 being the best. This is where the wheels come off. So here we go. This is the original flavor. This original flavor has the evil green logo on it. I just love the logo. And I have to practice this. So there's the original. Juice. What kind of juice? Well, we're going to find out, aren't we? It is a little scary when the juice flavor has a skeleton on the outside. In fact, there's more than one. This must be for consumption on Day of the Dead. And then this is Monster Energy Zero Ultra. Oh, so finally I get one that opens semi-clean. And there we are with the Zero Ultra. The can just looks cold, doesn't it? So what's in a Monster? Carbonated water, sucrose, glucose, citric acid, natural flavors, taurine, sodium citrate, Panax ginseng root extract, L-carnitine, L-tartarate, caffeine, sorbic acid, benzoic acid, oh boy, niacinamide, something like that, sodium chloride, glycine, max, Jesus, glucuronol, inositol, guarana, pyrox, I'll work on this, I don't know, sucralose, riboflavin, maltodextrin, and I have no idea what these words mean. It's just word soup. God. So the guys have hooked me to an EKG. This will be interesting. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to taste the original, the green. We're set up here to taste test, and I'm going to get the nose of each one, take a little test, cleanse my palate, cleanse my olfactory senses with a little coffee, sniff the coffee. So I give each one kind of a fair test. So here we go. The original. I'd say about 30% nitro in this. I don't know about the alcohol content or if this is nitro over gasoline, but you know what? I swallowed it. Ooh. Mm. Whew, a little bit of a rush. You'll notice they took this flower pot and duct taped over the drain hole. You know, when you're racers, you got lots of duct tape around. We call it 200-mile-an-hour tape. On the Gale scale, I am giving the original, I'm going to give the original a 9. Now we're moving into the sin zone here with Loca Mocha. Completely different nose, a little toned down. Great legs. Yeah. That's like going to 31 flavors or something. I mean, I'd give that to a 3-year-old. I don't know how that would work out for the 3-year-old, but. Loca Mocha, huh? 8. Swiss chocolate. Here it goes. Out and out sin. Well, maybe 30 weight. Whoa, and a load of chocolate. Swiss chocolate's an 8 for sure. Pacific Punch. Now we're going to go island here. If your urine sample looks like that, there's a problem. 7. By the time this is done, just a little bit I'm swallowing, I'm going to be wired by the time I get over there. So the next one is low carb. Hints of toluene. I'm giving low carb a 6. All right, next one. Irish Blend must be the one with the green. Smells like a potato. Boy, that's interesting. I like the Irish Blend. I'm giving Irish Blend a 10. Did I cleanse my palate? Oh my God, my EKG came loose. Wait a minute, guys. I might be dead. Let me fix it. Can you tape that back on? Now we're moving to assault. Anybody seen the movie 1917? Boy, I can't quite place that. Mustard gas? I don't know. I'm not really a fan. I'm going to give assault a 4. Dragon tea, not green tea, dragon tea. Kind of neutral, not real scary. A little bit of ethanol there, or torpedo juice, as the old man used to call it. The submariners during World War II, when they were in need of alcohol, would drink the torpedo juice. And apparently that was methanol, and it was denatured. Something else was mixed with it. So they would filter it through, take a loaf of bread that's unsliced, cut both ends off, and pour it through the loaf of bread to filter out. Of course, shortly thereafter, even with the loaf of bread filter, you'd go blind. But I'm not saying that here. I'm just, green tea, I'm going to go a 7. That was nice. Pipeline Punch, now we're getting down to it here. This has got to be pipeline. I mean, isn't that a kind of either something you can't put in because the farmer won't let you go through his land? Or is that something you surf on?
It's just like, dude, you get the best barrels ever, dude.
I swear I'm getting pineapple. Boy, that's pretty damn good. I'm going a 9 on Pipeline Punch. Chaos Juice, huh? Citrusy. Whatever it's going to do to me is hidden by the flavor. Nice flavor. I'm giving it an 8. So we had Loca Mocha, and now we have Mango Loco. That's hard to describe. Formaldehyde? I don't know. I'm giving Mango Loco an 8 as well. Now we get to the sugar-free here. It kind of looks like ammonia. I know you're not supposed to drink ammonia, but this is sugar-free, so. Zero Ultra, I'm going to give a 6. So who won here? The winner is Irish Blend. And why is that? Well, my name is Gale Banks, G-A-L-E. The original spelling of that is G-A-E-L, speaker of Gaelic. So since I got a little Irish blood in me, I'm somewhat prejudiced. But any one of these is probably good enough to kick a rod out. Until our next unboxing, cheers. Uh-oh. I'm glad I had that big coffee before. Oh my God. Whoa, I feel like Krusty the Clown after the show. Ugh.